scent for today. I have this one right here. This is Delana. It's like a lychee, floral, musky scent. Always get compliments on this one, and it's just like the best perfume. Today is my first day of uni classes. I'm studying business and information systems, by the way, and this is my 5th year. I'm a gap student, so it's taking me a moment to finish, but I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like so old, but now I'm just like embracing it, and I'm just excited to be a student again. I feel like it gives you like a sense of routine. I'm gonna go in a bit earlier and look at my lecture that I missed, and also do some readings before my actual class, because I just don't want to go in not knowing anything for this first lesson especially. I still have some time before I have to go, so I thought I'd tell you about my new reading journey. So I finished this book recently, Fourth Wing, and it's like the best thing that's ever happened to me. And can I just say right now that reading has actually, first of all, make me sleep better, wake up earlier, and feel less stressed. And I'm also really happy. The only problem is like I can't stop reading in the morning when I wake up, so I'm like, oh, I need to fix that. But other than my self-control for reading in the mornings, it's actually wonderful. I would recommend everyone start reading, because like I feel so much happier and lighter, and I go to bed feeling just really like carefree. I had really bad insomnia before, but I don't have that anymore. Yeah. So I'm in my reading era, which is exciting, and I'm gonna start A Court of Thorns and Roses after I finish this book. Okay, apparently this is just as good or better, and I don't know because I haven't read it yet, so I'll let you guys know after I read it, but I know this is super popular too. Your girl is in her reading era. This is how many pages I have left of my book. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing this sweater from Yes Style. Jeans are from Marshalls. I have 2 bag options, so I have this first one and then this second one. Which bag do I bring? I don't know. I need to fit my books inside though, because I'm gonna read later while I'm waiting for my class. Laptop, headphones, laptop charger, my phone, my gummies, as a snack, water bottle. I probably won't need my iPad, but I do need my books. Clint's got uni as well, so we're gonna be going together. We're on our way to uni now, and I'm trying to finish off my book at the same time. I'm on the last 20 pages. This is gonna be crazy. I just finished the book, guys, and I don't think I'm okay. I don't know, some bread.
What's wrong with the girls' class?
I was gonna do a Pilates class.
What do you have to learn before the last one?
I have a class in about 2 hours. Oh my god, guys.
I don't know. Yeah, like, tell me what a BPM is.
And then you just put your hand up and be like... We're inside of the building that my class is going to be in, but I have 2 hours, so I'm just going to read over my notes. Watched that whole lecture in 30 minutes, and I actually understand everything, so this is a good start. I was kind of worried I wasn't going to get it, but actually it's quite straightforward, and also there's not a lot that they're covering in this week's lecture. It's just a really long lecture for not a lot, to be honest. So I feel good. I have 20 minutes now before I have to go in. also got Clint to start reading Fourth Wing, so he's halfway through the book now.
So pretty, like you need to do your assignment scenario, you'll need to do your exam scenario. It is a thing by itself to practice.
I'm reading A Court of Thorns and Roses. I'm on chapter 1. I kind of want to read the physical one, but also like I have my Kindle here. Clint's been using the Kindle and I realized that it's actually a lot easier to read on because the writing's so much bigger. Nubbles. She always snuggles right on my chest like this every morning and every night. I'm getting ready to go out and run some errands and I need to pick a cute outfit. I'm gonna do a little haul of everything that I'm about to pick and choose from because today's video is sponsored by Cider. If you don't know what Cider is, they're an online store. They sell the trendiest clothing pieces, everything from daily wear to casual wear to like beautiful dresses. Like they have everything, and I'm gonna be showing you guys their Sporty by Cider collection that they've just released. So these pieces I'm about to show you are for everyday active lifestyle, so it's not just to wear to work out. All of these pieces are made from Cider Airy. This fabric's very lightweight and it also has a gentle compression lift. I'm going to show you guys all these outfits so you see. This first set that I'm wearing is actually this sports bra. It's double layered and also padded, and it comes with a matching barrello, and the sleeves have like the little hand thing, which I really like. I'm also wearing the matching skirt and it pairs with these little leg warmers which have these little bows on it, and it's just so coquette. Like this is so cute. Next outfit I'm showing you guys is this one piece. By the way, this fabric I was telling you guys about is so soft to your skin. This hugs my figure so well, and it comes with a matching barrello as well. It has flared legs, which I love. I'm gonna wear this to Pilates and on like a cold morning with the barrello. So cute. Next I have this set. So first we have this skirt. It's super cute. It's also got little shorts that are built in. By the way, all these skirts have shorts that are built in. And then this top right here, padded, it's like lined inside as well, and it matches with this little wraparound which I'm obsessed with. You can match this with some leg warmers. I've got some gray ones, I've also got some white ones. This next one is a little black set, so we have the little top and it has this really nice like white lining detailing, these little pockets, really cute little arms. I'm obsessed with this pair of pants and these are so comfy. I forgot to show you guys these ones, but there's these little leg warmers. I also have a bag here, which this is so good for the gym. This is good for Pilates. This is good for work. Like I could use this for so many things. And then all these little compartments on the side, which are just perfect for like putting snacks in, your water bottle. I also have some headbands. These are really cute. You can style these like so easily. I like that the back of these have like a lot of extra stretch. I also got these little tiny bows that I can just like clip into my hair as well. You can use my code, which I'll have on the screen and down below, if you want to save when you shop with Cider. I'm gonna link all these outfits down below for you guys so you can find all of these different styles, and they also have more to the collection. Like they have so many. Thank you so much to Cider, and I'm gonna go pick my outfit now. I've been trying all these outfits on. I'm trying to figure out how I want to mix and match. This package also came with these little stickers, which I'm dying because like they're so cute. I think I'm gonna wear the one piece though, so I'm gonna get changed and come back. Okay, I'm back and I've decided I'm gonna wear the one piece. So I'm gonna wear this with my little barrello. I've got my platform Uggs. I feel very cute. I really want to go pick up A Court of Mist and Fury because I know I'm gonna finish A Court of Thorns and Roses in probably like the next 2-3 days. So I'm gonna go get the second book because I'm just that excited. Actually in my book era now, which I feel so happy about because I feel like I'd neglected a lot of like these like small hobby things like in the past few years, and I'm finally like doing them all now. Oh my god, this avocado is like the perfect ripeness. So I'm making a quick lunch and then I'm gonna head out, get some errands done, buy groceries. I really want to go to the bookstore because I want to go pick up the second book. I think it's called A Court of Mist and Fury, which is book number 2 of Court of Thorns and Roses. I actually haven't even read the first one yet. I just thought maybe I'd just get the second one to motivate me to finish it as soon as possible because people say the first one feels really slow. I also feel that a little bit, like it is a bit slow, but I have faith because there's 5 books and so many reviews, which must mean it's good. I'm just eating some salmon with lemon, some salted avocado, and some eggs for lunch. I really like salmon because it's just easy to cook. I'm gonna read a bit more of my book that I just started. Literally done. It's like 5 p.m. right now, but it's so sunny because it's still summertime here and I love it. I'm so excited to get this book. I don't even know if I'm actually gonna buy the book today. I think I'm gonna compare prices, but I just want to go into the store just to, like, look at it and feel it and look at some other books as well, just because, like, the vibes. Like, I can't explain bookstore vibes. It's just so cozy and I love it. Who's here? My doorbell just rang. It's my sister. Sorry. Why are you not looking at me right now? Come here. Oh my god, wait. That's my book. Came to Target and I found the entire series for $50. Oh my god. This one's the vanilla one. I'm back home. Nubbles off. Okay guys, I'm back home and I have a giant book haul for you guys because I just went a bit crazy while I was out and I literally said I wasn't gonna get anything, but to be fair, I was gonna order these books on Amazon anyways and I figured that they're like the same price at Target. I also got a very special book, which is what I'm gonna start with. So okay, this is the special edition of Iron Flame and I want the first one for Fourth Wing, but I can't find it anywhere. So I just bought the special edition for the second book first. I got the full Court of Thorns and Roses series because I didn't know they sold it in Target for like 50 bucks. Like, that is such a good price for these books. This set goes for like $114 in like the other bookstores and then like really expensive online. Okay, we have all of them. The last few books that I got, okay, these are also all Sarah J Maas because I heard that this series is really popular right now. House of Earth and Blood. This is the second one and then this is the third one. It's extremely satisfying. I'm so excited. Okay, let me go check on my chicken soup. I'm making chicken soup and rice for dinner.
What are you passing?
Finished my eyelash appointment and lashes are back. I'm about to go to the driving range to go practice. Same time, or do you want to just... Okay. Gonna empty my balls out. Good morning. I am going to a book market today and I'm so excited because I don't know, I just want to look at books and they have this like huge collection, which I'm not sure if, I think they might be secondhand, so I'm excited. Also, I'm halfway through A Court of Thorns and Roses, actually more than halfway, and so far oh, I actually like it. I think it was a bit slow at the beginning, but now I'm like getting into it. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this independent fashion label called RYU, and it's this matching top and this skirt, and it's honestly like the chicest thing I've worn. I'm gonna go downstairs and meet Clint now. He's literally waiting for me for the past like 5 minutes. I gotta run. How's it?
It's good.
The sauce is on top.
It is good.
Guys, I'm home and I have my book. I ended up buying this. I just couldn't resist, so I just got the special edition. Number 1 and number 2. I just wish this special edition had like the extra bonus chapters in it. That was only in the holiday edition. And also the book fair that we went to, there were so many books there. I was like a bit overwhelmed. So there were things that I wanted to pick up, but then I was like, I think I'm just picking them up for the sake of getting them and not actually really wanting them. So I ended up not getting anything. I just laid out all of my books that I got to take a photo, and this is so satisfying. Like, look at that. Also, by the way, all of these books all together were less than $100, which is insane. Minus these two.